Hi, welcome to Monkey Bar. I'm Ronak Rajani.
And I'm Sushant Dilgikar. I like men and I'm a homosexual.
I like dim sums. And I'm a momosexual. ऐसा लॉ बना है कि ये गलत है और वो जेल में डालेंगे, पर क्या
लेकिन क्या गलत है?
जेल में डाल के क्या करेंगे? हाँ अच्छा,
संविधान में हर आदमी के लिए कायदा रखेला है। कायदे के से हर आदमी स्वतंत्र है, उसमें खुद की मर्जी उसकी कुछ भी कर सकता है।
ऐसा अभी वो लोग को कुदरत ने बनाया, ऐसा तो क्या कर सकते हैं? कुदरत के ऊपर कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
क्या कर सकते?
निजी मामला है,
उनका मामला है, इसमें हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं?
वो जो हाँ
वो जैसा कर रहे हो।
Guys, honestly, I did not expect people to have such forward opinions on this. This is the common people, and this is great because when you switch on the TV, there's the educated people who are saying all kinds of stuff.
This is irrelevant, rubbish, and unscientific and unnatural.
God has created the mankind for the creation, for further evolution, not stopping the whole thing. Male organ's purpose is not to go enter into some other organ. Yes, I'm scared that the human race will come to an end.
By fighting for this homosexuality, are we human? No, we can't be. We are perverted then.
This planet, and you just want to do with people. And you just want to do with people are suffering from the mental disorder, neuro disorder. They just want to complete their sexual desire, which is against the nature as well as against the religion. You are just supporting to them.
To begin with, we're going to teach you a new word that starts with a C
and ends with an consent. Consent is the permission for something to happen or to do something.
which means that if Priyanka Chopra says मुझसे शादी करोगी to Akshay Kumar and he says yes, these are two mutually consenting adults and this can be validated.
However, there's no cheating in consent. So if Priyanka Chopra has a gun in her hand and then puts it to Akshay Kumar's head and then asks him मुझसे शादी करोगी, that is consent by force.
Other exceptions to consent are consent acquired by someone who's incapable of making their own decisions. For example, someone who's mentally unstable, consent acquired by someone who's under the influence, or even consent of a minor. This is all considered as fraud.
Very important question. याद रखना exam में आएगा 15 mark pocket.
Oh my God, yes!
Now that we have consent and its exceptions in place, let's understand choice. For example, most times you don't agree with other people's choices.
Yeah man, like what the fuck was Aishwarya dating Vivek Oberoi for?
What the
See, but that's the best part of our constitution, right? We're allowed to do what we want to do and who we want to do.
Yeah, I mean, as long as we don't harm a third party, right? Right?
Therefore, we will now teach you the formula.
N number of adults plus consent minus exceptions plus choice minus harm to third party equals तेरे बाप का क्या चाहता है? Guys, homosexuality is not a disease. It has been proven by scientific bodies like the APA.
ये अमेरिका से बीमारी चली है।
And even Indian bodies like the IPS, which is the Indian Psychiatric Society. Hence, homosexuality cannot be spread because only diseases can be spread.
Yeah, it's not cheese. Cheese can be fucking spread. You can't spread homosexuality.
Yeah, look guys, I mean being born gay is like being born left-handed. You don't really have a choice. And you can eat, sleep, rave, repeat and do whatever else you want to do. Just like everybody else. So it's not something you choose. Chill.
Dude, with that logic, Virus from 3 Idiots is bisexual.
Okay. I don't know. Alright. So the next time, if Baba Ramdev or anybody else with an uninformed opinion tells you that it's a disease, remember science.
And listen, even if you want to dismiss the science, fine. But don't forget the maths.
Cricket! I just love cricket! 11 मर्द एक बॉल के पीछे. Oh God!
That's what I'm saying. These are the roles that they give us. They make us look like some sexual predators. Look at this guy.
Damn demeaning, man. I don't know why Suresh Menon even signs up for this kind of stuff.
Hey, hello. What's Suresh Menon? What did I do? You're talking at this role?
No, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, so were you convinced?
No.
Obviously, I was acting. This is acting. Understand? Acting. But I was acting.
Offensive?
What offensive? You talk to David about that. What offensive? Bye. Nice to meet you. Shut up! Yeah.
Do you have his number?
Varun's father.
Oh, okay.
So before we go, I'm going to clear the misconception about deviance.
See, deviance is anything that's outside the ordinary, which means even Prabhu Deva.
Renegade.
Is also in a way of fucking deviance, you know what I'm saying?
See, but the key here is mutual consent.
And do you notice there's this guy in the UK and his sexual deviance is that he wants to fuck cars.
Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal.
It's called mechanophilia. True story, this is how Optimus Prime was born. Oh, true story. Let's face it, sex is for pleasure. If people were to only do it for procreation, they would not do it more than twice or thrice in their full lives.
Yeah. And no one is the authority over what anybody else does in the privacy of their bedroom.
And you can do whatever you want in the privacy of your bedroom, as long as there is mutual consent from both parties.
Yeah. Also, don't forget, you can't misuse the term consent. And keep in mind its exceptions.
Because if you don't, you're causing serious crimes like bestiality, pedophilia, and rape. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. And remember, we need to do away with this stigma.
So please share this video and educate your friends.
Well, you know where to click for the stand-up and the monkey bars. I'm not going to point because we have a tight frame.
And you have sweat patch.